Today was a rainy day. I was walking home. Who is that man? He looks very tired. Sir, are you okay? Do you need help?
My legs hurt today. These bags are heavy.
I can help you. I will carry this bag.
Thank you, Lily.
Thank you, Lily.
What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
I was a teacher. I loved helping children.
Really? That is wonderful.
Teaching was my dream. I loved every student.
That is beautiful.
Kindness is life's greatest gift.
I will remember that.
I live alone now. My house is nearby.
I will walk with you.
This is my home.
Thank you, Lily. It is beautiful.
Please come inside.
Thank you, sir. Your home is beautiful.
Thank you, Lily. My family lives far away. I miss them.
I am sorry.
I have something for you.
For me?
This was my teaching notebook. Now it is yours.
Thank you so much. I will treasure this forever.
I know you will.
Lily, where are you? I am helping Mr. Robert. I am proud of you. Always stay safe. I will, Mom.
Always choose kindness. It never loses value.
I promise. Goodbye, Lily.
See you again. I will visit soon.
Welcome home, Lily. I have a story. I helped Mr. Robert. He gave me this notebook.
We are proud of you.
What a wonderful gift. It is very special.
I will protect it.
Kindness changes lives.
We are proud of you. I learned something important. I came back to visit you.
Welcome back, Lily.
Welcome back, Lily.
Let's plant these flowers.
They will grow beautifully.
Kindness grows like flowers.
I understand now.
Helping others makes life brighter.
I will always remember that.
Plant kindness. It grows forever.
I believe that. See you soon.
I promise. I'll come again.
I will always choose kindness. I promise. Thank you, Lily. Always be kind.
I helped someone today.
I am proud of you.
Kindness changes the world.
One heart at a time.